y'all. Alrighty, so this is my my 5-gallon filter that'll be going up on the 120. Right now I have it just cycling some water in this tank down here in the basement. Just kind of rinsing out the media. I cleaned all this lava rock out with some bleach a few days ago because the rock was outside. There was bugs and I'm sure all kinds of bacteria. And so just to be safe and make sure everything was dead, I did a light bleach water soak 24 hours overnight. Then it got 2 days of rinse and dumps of clean hot water until it cool, get dumped, refilled with hot water for 48 hours. Still has a slight bleach odor on the rock, so figure I'm gonna run it another couple days, cycling like this, rinsing through, and I'll change out all this water, drain it tomorrow, fill it back up with clean water until that chlorine smell goes away. Then I'll probably drain it and let it air dry another 24 hours before it goes on the tank. I just wanted to show that it's working pretty well. Got that pond filter pump, which normally goes to like a fountain sprayer, coming up some PVC. It's a little high here, but it measures out on the 120 perfect, so that it sits right in there. And right now, it's just all lava rock and some foam mat, or filter mat there. I'll probably eventually swap out on this side with some active carbon bags, and then probably some more filter floss or something directly underneath the piping and in between, so to go through the filter floss into the biomedia, and then final particles get cleaned through the mat as it flows through, and then finally through some more. Well, eventually it'll do the chemical, get that fine cleaning back in, or maybe not. I might just leave it all bacteria, because you get enough bacteria and you don't really need chemical unless you have problems. So that's that for now. I'll probably bring this back when we're setting it up on the 125 here in a couple days. Alright, we got this 5-gallon bucket filter finally hooked up. I said we let it run, filtering water for a little over 24 hours. Let it dry out, make sure it's all clean, and then got it set up in the tank. As you can see, it's just lava rock, pot scrubbies, and some filter floss type material. The drains are back behind those two, but those are maintaining an air break so that it's not sucking air and slurping all the time. It's got a nice, good flow. As you can see, Nice high flow rate coming out there. Definitely stirs the water up. And this too, in a few hours, should be fairly bit cleaner and clearer. Continue to monitor the bucket and see how it holds up. I already kind of messed this up, pinched it, broke my silicone seal on the bottom, so it's turned off for now. That's going to have to get resealed, but we'll check in on this bucket in maybe a week or two and see how it's doing.
Sleeping on my city, we lyrical by committee. This swamp is stomping them, you know one drama, I mean not any.